This knot is a connection knot that anglers all over the world can't stop using. To start the knot, lay the ends of the lines parallel to each other. Using the tag end on the right-hand side, create a loop over the parallel lines. Wrap this tag end around both lines and through the loop 5 to 6 times. The number of wraps may vary depending on the thickness of your lines. Once the wraps are done, pull the tag end to tighten the first knot. Now do the same with the tag end on the left. Form a loop over the parallel lines. Repeat the same wrapping steps inside that loop. This connection knot is one every angler should learn. It's easy to learn and can be tied even in tough conditions. By now, you should have a knot on the left side just like before. Now pull the main line so the two knots slide toward each other and lock together. Pull tight and trim the excess tag ends. And there it is, the double uni knot that anglers around the world rely on.